My name is Lindiwe Zulu. I'm the Minister of Small Business Development. I am participating in this youth camp for the first time, and I'm very excited about the fact that I found some youngsters who are entrepreneurs, some youngsters who are owning businesses here and there. I am of the view that my Department of Small Business Development has to fully participate in the next camp. And before we even participate, it will be important for us to say that the youngsters who we found here, we need to follow them up so that we can make sure that we give them the necessary support they deserve as small businesses. This is one of the best things that events that I have attended almost in the 2.5 years that I've been here, because it is young people who are very vibrant, who are very committed to ensuring that they improve their lives. But I think what is more important is to thank the Department of Social Development for having consistently held these boot camps, and we would like to continue supporting them. And in fact, my view is that all departments must try and support this boot camp, because the young people are the future of South Africa. The leadership development is happening here. The future business owners are here. The money and the wealth creation is going to happen here. Your BEE partners are going to be happening here. But more than anything else is about ensuring that these young people participate in the mainstream economy of South Africa. I thank you.